How does this week compare with last week? Well, funny you should ask. There's more siding on the house. But the main thing is they have begun the roofing. So the roofing has been done on the lower part of the roof, except for the patio. And on Monday, Tuesday, hopefully they will knock out the upper part of the roof, which they have barely begun. So here's something else that happened this week, and that is the receiver for internet was put in. Last week we got power from the transformer and the electrical panel, which is about 50 yards away, to the house. And now Bill has come in and all that tangle of wires he has sorted out and put into the panel. And he's got several breakers in so that we have some power and some light. Frank, the HVAC man, is toiling away. The furnace will go right here. Then these are the ducts that he has been putting in. All of the windows except for those three triangular shapes on this side as well as on the far side, the downhill side, have been put in. And those were just delivered today. And on Monday they should be installed. So that'll mean we'll have all windows in place. So for Willie, Aaron, and Caleb, they will put in those windows, finish the siding there, finish the siding there and above it. And on the inside of the house, they'll spend up to 2 weeks putting insulation in it. After that, they'll spend another 2 weeks hanging drywall over all of this stuff. It has been a stormy week and a cold week too. But today, right now, first time all day that the sun has cleared. So it's really quite pretty out here. So that's what things are like here on Friday, October 4 at the old Paragon Ranch in Boundary County of the Idaho Panhandle. That's our report, and we'll talk to you again soon.